The purpose of this video is to help you understand how to use resources at home. When you head home and you go to clever.cusd.com and then you log in, some of the resources that we use here in Clovis Unified require a username and a password at home, but when you're on the network at school, they don't require a specific username and password. So I'm going to show you a small trick that's going to help you use resources at home. When you head to any one of these resources, some of them might have a little circle with a question mark inside of it, or it has the letter I inside of it, indicating that there's some more information. Now, one of two things. You can either hover on top of that and a small box will pop up and give you the information that you need, or you actually might need to click on it in order to disclose that information. So if you forgot how to log in to Adobe Spark, then hover or click on the little circle with the eye or the question mark, and then a box will tell you how to do that. Also, if you were to use Britannica Digital Learning at home, it will require a username and password at home. And so you just use that very same strategy. Come over to the question mark or the little letter I that's going to give you more information, and the username and password that you need will pop up. I hope this quick tutorial was helpful for you. Have a great day and continue to enjoy your Clever experience.